Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time in, welcome in. Today we are going to build a very simple, very basic crosscut sled / panel cutter. The one we're building today was inspired by Norm Abram. I grew up watching him on New Yankee Workshop and This Old House, and when I'm running bigger panels through my table saw, sides of cabinets, tabletops, etc., I want something extremely lightweight, yet something extremely precise, and this sled does it. Stumpy Nubs has a great build if you are looking to build a multi-function, massive sled that does anything and everything. Give this guy some credit. Go over to his channel and watch this build. This thing is freaking awesome. This thing right here is by King's Woodworking, and it is gigantic. Again, way too much for my needs here in my shop. So what we're building today is something extremely basic. It's got one runner. It is extremely precise, very lightweight, and it's going to do exactly what we need it to do. So let's get to it. Started by cutting our plywood down to size. We're going to make this thing 24 by 32 for final dimensions. I'm going to start by cutting it to 24 by 36. I want a little extra room here because once we get our guide installed on the bottom, we're going to run this through and create a parallel cut to our guide. You'll see that process here in just a minute. So we're going to start by taking a measurement from our blade to our miter slot. Mine measures 4.5 inches, so we are going to put a mark at 5.5 inches so that we have a little room to cut some excess material off and get a nice parallel cut. I'm going to take my framing square, draw a perpendicular line to my edge at that 5.5 mark, and that is where we are going to get our guide installed. So right here, we're just going to clamp the guide to the bottom of this sheet of plywood right along that line that we just drew with our framing square. Mark our 3 holes. We're going to drill and countersink for the 1/4 screws that will get mounted from the top side into these guides, and then we're going to get this thing back on the table saw, and we're going to get our cut made so that we have an edge that is 100% parallel to our guide slot. After running this thing through the saw, it gives us a parallel edge to our guide slot. It also gives us a place to know exactly where our cut is going to take place. So whenever we need to cut a panel or any kind of stock, we simply put a mark, line it up with the edge of the panel cutter, run it through the saw, and our measurements should be spot on. So let's get this stop put on the back side. Simply gonna take our material, put it up against the back of this sled, tack it in place with a brad on this end, and then use our square to get as perpendicular as possible, and tack the other end in place with a brad as well. And then we're going to head over to the saw and run a sample piece through our saw. So the easiest way to tell if we are square and true is to take this cut that we just made, flip the board over, and as long as this side lines up with the edge of our sled as well, we are square. And now that we know we're square, we are simply going to drill and countersink, put some screws through this material and fasten it to the sled, and we are done. Super simple build today, guys. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you have not already, please go down and click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, positive or negative, please feel free to leave them below. I do my best to get back with you guys as soon as possible. Thanks again for joining us on this video. Thanks again for your support, and we will see you on YouTube.